Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. How's everybody doing? It is good to be here. Howdy. Welcome to the show. Whoop. There we go. What was I going to do? I was going to go to Discord. I was going to quickly say hey to everybody. I'm doing the thing again where I'm exhausted. Everyone. What is at here? Oh. At here. Yo. We live right now. But boom. There we go. Yeah. All right, sweet. So, first of all, we're fully branded today, which is important. So I got my shirt and I got my hat on. You think John Paul's gonna hop on? Hell yeah. And let me do my little intro really quick. Hello, my name is EntrepreNerd. My name is Max. This is EntrepreNerd. I'm very tired today, if that's not obvious. I'm fully branded. What's up, John Paul? How's it going? This is the show. We're going to be rebuilding our product Beyta today because it was working before, and it worked really nicely, and it was beautiful, and I was very happy with it, and people actually really, really liked the product had launched. Like, we got a really big boost, which is amazing. And the tool that we used, which was Softer, is a bit too expensive for me to work with, so I want to rebuild it from scratch so I don't have to pay that much money with the same functionality. So that's the plan. Yeehaw. Awesome. Yeah, that's about it. That's the plan moving forward. We're gonna rebuild our little database tool. Beyta is the product Beyta. We did a product launch. It did really well. It got like 100 and something upvotes, which is amazing. It's the most successful I've ever had. Most success I've ever had on product hunt. Super, super fun. Got a bunch of newsletter subscribers. It was great. And what the tool does is it's simply a list online. I can actually show you what it is. It's simply a list online, beyta.co, a sortable list online of templates, of different templates for different no-code tools. And in this one, we had Adalo. We had, I think, what else is this? This was it like sheet to site? Let me actually check it out. It was Spread Simple. That's what it was. Similar tool. And I think we also have Softer on here, and a few others. And in order to host more than 200 items, which we have way more than 200 items, it's going to make us pay like $50 a month, which is too much for me. Just want to see if I can rebuild it in a snazzy, simple way. At least right for now. So yeah. I want to keep growing the platform. I think Softer works fine, but doesn't have the shenanigans that I need for cheap enough. So we're going to rebuild it, and it's going to be great, and that's the plan for today. Yeehaw. I have gotten, like, not enough sleep, obviously. I keep staying up until like 6 a.m. because I'm playing a new video game called Subnautica. Not new video game. It's new to me. Kind of a failed product if you don't have one. Hey! I love that. Can't fuck it up if you didn't do it. Alright, cool. Let's get frickin' started. I'm gonna do this. What's up, Toast? How's it going? No code, your top bar, bottom high bar. There we go. Beautiful. We are set up to rock it. So let's go to Beyta. This is Beyta. It looks good. I want to mimic this as much as I humanly can and make it really, really simple and nice and great. So the two things that were important, it seemed, were one, some sort of search bar. And then two, a category, and three, a type. Because basically every single, like, app template or website template or literally anything else falls into one of these categories, like e-commerce to startup, right? Very, very commonly. And this works great. This works fine. But I do really, really want to be able to host more. Because if I go to software, log in. Really, really nice tool. Like, I was very, very happy with how it worked. So I clicked login, you fool. You fool. Continue. How do you find software? No code community. I got myself. I don't want to be on the newsletter. We have beta live. Upgrade. So this is what it looks like. Oh, okay. So that's yearly. That's the problem. Let's see. Oh, maybe they changed things. Hold on. We might be able to just use software. On custom domain. Yes. Unlimited applications. Airtable integration up to 1,000 records. And this is Airtable integration up to 10,000 records. So $30 per month isn't that bad. Let me go to our little list. Let's go back to Airtable. Let's go to no code templates. This is what I've been working on. I did scrape more of these guys. And it's been working out quite well. So right now I have 649. I got 649 goddamn things, which is awesome, right? And I added Doric. I need to add Sheet to Sites. Had to add Doric manually. Bubble I just scraped. And I was even able to add the little template types, which is great. So yeah, we are doing well. Doing quite well. In terms of the general list here. I'm wondering if this is going to pass 1,000 records. Because I'm probably willing to pay $30 a month for this. Because in order to build really any solid, sufficient product, it's going to be $30 a month anyway. At least. Because I will probably build the next version on Webflow. Webflow or Bubble. It's probably going to cost just as much. Unloaded applicators, cloud custom domain, no software branding, membership, paywall, Airtable, custom code, so I can do embeds. Hey, okay, so maybe we'll just go with that. But still, we need to update this and make sure everything looks really solid. I was initially trying to create a gallery of all of these just normally. Where you could just open it up and look inside at the information. Oh, hey, the GIF works. That's beautiful. I didn't think the GIF would work. That's really fun. Yeah. Hey. That's kind of cool. So we could just do this on Airtable, right? The important thing is it's just a really accessible, simple to use database, right? Just a really accessible database, because I want anybody from any background that has never touched or seen no code before to be able to hop on here and be like, oh, the fuck do I need to build with, right? It needs to be like this very fluent, just like consistent thing. I'm willing to pay $30 a month for that, because software does it really well. I will say, software does it super dang well. So, let's see. Let's see if we can simplify some stuff. Because my initial plan was just to embed this on like a card site and keep it super simple. But I don't think that's going to be as accessible as just a site like this. Because this is pretty smooth, and I can search by coach Yeah, I can search via the search bar, which is really nice. I don't want the form. Do I? I don't know. I've been a little bit conflicted about keeping the form, because I don't think it really matters. It just matters what type of thing you're trying to build. Right? And landing page could be one of these. Website could be one of these. I don't know. I do not know. I'm a little confused. Let's just make sure everything is up here, though. Let's just make sure everything is up here so it's a nice, solid, actual product. So cool. We have everything right here. The price for the template is important. The monthly price for the tool, I was thinking when I want to look stuff up, when I'm looking stuff up, right? This is actually one reason that we might go for Airtable or like a Webflow version or something like that. I want the full information on the, delete this. I want the full information on how expensive the tool is as well, right? Oop. Oh, what the heck? Oh, I have the automation running and it's getting all confused. Interesting. Huh. That's kind of neat. So I also wrote in a little automation here. I can go over this a little later, but I wrote a little automation to try to automatically populate images, which is fun. Yeah, it seems to be working. I just fucked it up. Okay, so I was thinking when I want to look at this tool, right? When I go here, when I go to Beyta, I want to check this out. What happens, right? Like, what does it show? I want it to be able to show the price of the template, right? The price of the template is important. How the template looks is number one. How the template looks, number one, we have that. We have the images, great. The tool that it's built on, also important, right? Just to, just for understanding, maybe you've built on that tool before, maybe you've never seen that tool before. That's going to impact whether or not you use that template. 3, how expensive the template is. Is the template $50? Is it a free template? Whatever, right? And 4, how scalable, expensive, everything else is the tool itself, right? Like what functionality can you add and or how expensive is the tool itself. So I feel like for each individual tool, I need to write a different little blurb, right? Because I don't remember how much Spread Simple is. So if I want to do anything sufficient, I need more information on that, right? So let's see if we can go to Software Studio. Let's see if we can futz with something. When somebody clicks grid view, items per page, let's say like 20, or no, let's say like 18. 18 sounds good. Cool. Inline filters, tool it's built on, template type, and then form, we're probably not going to care about that. List items, action, open page, item detail. Cool. Cool. So now it opens item detail. So in that case, if I go here and I click check it out, it opens item detail. Very cool. And so now I need to go and I need to customize this little section. So now I'm creating a little page within Beyta for each item. Okay. So how do I change that? Item detail. Home, edit application name, pages, item detail. Awesome. Airtable base, no code templates, select table 1. Text not by now. Oh, and then the action goes to order form. Wow, this makes like a little e-commerce website super easy. That's super fun. Okay, the image is going to be the image link. right? Yes, but I need it to be a little bit more responsive. Am I changing anything by doing this? No, I'm not. That's the question. Interesting. So the image isn't very responsive, which is kind of shitty. None. The image being responsive is kind of important to me. I wonder. So, it's image link. Yeah. Title would be what? Form. Web app. Subtitle. Oh, I can scroll down. That's what it is. Title would be name. Easy appointments, telemedicine. Subtitle would be maybe the form. Monthly price for tool. Yeah. Oh, no, not monthly price for tool. It's going to be the actual price. Price for template. Price for template. Beautiful. $199. Beautiful. Awesome. And I'm going to add in here. Maybe can I add like a $sign? Or maybe I just need to add the $sign within this. Monthly price for tool. Price for template. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Cool. Let's add the tags. The tags were template type. So what are we looking at here? Howdy, Emmett. How's it going? We are trying to build up Beyta a little bit more. And this is a successful product hunt launch that I did a little while back. Basically, all Beyta is just a simple list of no-code tool templates. That's about all. I want to make it a little bit more robust because I added Bubble. I added a couple more tools recently. I added Doric. And I want to make sure that it's a little bit more robust than it currently is. Because the way it is right now, it looks fine, right? It's wonderful. It's great. It's good. But it doesn't give me all the information that I need, right? The information that I need is something along the lines of like, I want the price for the tool. I have the price for the tool. I want the information on the tool itself. So how scalable is that tool? How expensive is that tool in terms of its pricing, right? So if I want to scale this to a certain amounts, what are the limitations on that tool, right? And what are the prices associated with those limitations? Like, for instance, I built Beyta on Softer, right? And that's what I'm building it on right now. Softer is a really wonderful tool. Up to like, I think 200 rows. Because when I go past 200 rows, it starts to charge me. And how much does it charge me, right? And why is that important? It would have been valuable for me to know when I was building on Beyta. So, I think my limit on the tool here is going to be 1,000 rows. Otherwise, I'm going to have to pay like $80 a month, and that's just too much for me, right? So, I would have liked to know that, going into it. So it's very interesting. And I may rebuild this on Webflow. I might just use an Airtable base for the time being. I don't know yet, but I'm still futzing with it. But right now we're building something that we are happy with, and it's cute. So yeah, that's what we're building today. Beyta. Beyta.co. Let me actually put the little link in the chat. But what is a no-code template? So a no-code template, good, super good question. I should probably describe that a little more. And if you're unfamiliar with no-code, you can learn more. Get our full list of tools on our newsletter. Find a template across tools to launch in minutes. A template is simply, if I go to something like Spread Simple, right? Spread Simple is a popular tool. It lets me build websites using Google Sheets, right? Awesome. That's about it. When I'm building websites with Google Sheets, almost every single no-code tool out there, just a tool that lets me build, something without programming, whether that's Squarespace, whether that's Webflow, whether that's, WordPress, whatever. Almost every single one of them is built off of template structures, right? I see templates across everything. So I can build whatever I want in SpreadSimple as long as it fits into cafe, real estate, merch store, job board, furniture store, affiliate program, online course, right? As long as it fits into these categories, right? Great. So when I'm building something, when I'm starting a new project, when I'm starting, let's say, a cafe, there are probably like 50 different tools I could go with to build my website or my app or whatever. So which one do I want to go with and why? That's basically what we're trying to do here, right? Actually, I'm curious. Free, customizable content blocks, customizable cards, connect custom domain, $8 per month, Zapier webhook. Does this have any limit? I get it. Templates are categories of site types that the tools support. Exactly. So you want to be able to search templates instead of just different tools, because you might be missing an awesome tool if you're just going for a certain template that you think only one tool has. How? Instant update with Google Sheets, customizable SpreadSimple and domain. So actually, I might just say $10 per website. $10 per month per website for a simple little list here. Like, let's see. Swipe directory. View. Over 170 items. Best resources and tools in marketing. AppSumo, of course. Banner Bear, wonderful. Beta list. Tool directory. It's got tags, which is great. Can I sort by these tags? I can. What are you looking for? I can sort right here. Interesting. So if I don't know. This looks like the same fucking thing. Just less expensive. You know what I mean? Maybe we go for SpreadSimple. Maybe we just do SpreadSimple. I'm curious. Let's see how many pancakes, menu, digital note taking, my glide templates. Okay. Link to app. GlideApp.io. That's great. I love this. I fucking adore this. Clothes. Automatically integrates an artist feed into a spreadsheet via shape here and presents the articles collected on a website made on SpreadSimple. How big does this get? Also, with our two, you can sort by date, sort by other versions, and it pulls this in all the way to 51, so it's got hundreds. It's got hundreds of items. Okay, so cool. Maybe just fuck it. We go with this. Like, I don't see why not. It's just cheaper and simpler. That looks great to me. Yeah. Because really the only thing we really, super need to sort by is, I'm wondering if there can be multiple sorts. Have we got to work on the most functional tool to worry about the monthly price right now, unless it's ridiculous. Moreover, to get something fully functional out there, you can start marketing. You can worry about porting to a different tool later on. Yeah, you're right. I'm just trying to be super cheap right now. The most functional tool is still probably going to be Stalker because it has all these little wonderful pages. So let's do that. Let's do that and finish it here. You're probably right. So large, extra large. Is it changing anything? Yes, it is. Sort of. Kinda. So how about this, and then I make this extra small. That's not bad, but then it's going to fuck up on other templates, isn't it? I want it to be responsive. I just want it to do whatever it needs to make it look good. But I don't think I can do that, which is a shame. I'm getting a call from a telemarketer. Oh my god. It's a shame I don't care. Yeah. Yeah. Description. This is where it gets interesting. So I checked out Beyta.co. It's snazzy looking, but there's no live data behind the front screen icons. Yes, exactly. So this isn't ready yet. So the description needs to exist. Description needs to exist. What should be in the description? Can I write something? I could concatenate something. Ooh. Hey, so maybe like description. And this is going to be a formula. And it's going to be equals, or maybe concatenate. Yes, there we go. Text arguments together. This is fun. So concatenate. Can I click enter? Nope. Okay. So let's go back up here. Concatenate formatting. Number of date. Well, it was available if you're a number of date. Okay, cool. So concatenate. Let's say. Come on. Concatenate. Name. Comma. Some just text right here. Something like space. Is a another thing. Boom here. And we want template type. Save. Coaching app is a coaching. What does this say? Coaching app is a coaching. Okay, cool. So that does work. This is cool. I've never used formulas here. Coaching app is a boom. Space. Type templates. Is a blank type template. Okay, and I'll just do that. Save. So now it's to say coaching app is a coaching type template. Cool. Awesomeness. Let's see if I can get that to port into Softer. Select field. Refresh. Description. Is the opponent still medicine? Is a listing test directly type template. Beautiful. Love it. I would change that, of course. I would change that to something a bit more valuable and useful. And I would probably provide some information about, like, hey, this is built on Glide, right? It's built on Glide. That's super important to know. It is, etc. It costs this much to scale Glide. This is why Glide is good. This is why Glide is bad. Blah, 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 right? So cool. Okay, awesome. I wish the image didn't fucking suck. Small. Slight roundness. That's cool. Nope. Okay, so this one works. This looks good. Kind of. I wonder if I can just edit the block entirely. I don't want the text to say by now. I need to say check it out. I don't want it to go to order form. I want it to open external URL, and I want that URL to be linked to template. I want it to open in a new tab. Beautiful. So now they check it out. Awesome. Less details. Let's see if I can. Ooh, here we go. Padding top, padding bottom. No, it's just the padding. Border top, border bottom. I want there to be more room on the left and right. Okay, so that just gives me a little bit more space. It's not what I want, though. I wish there was left and right padding. That's a shame. The final version of this project is very much probably going to be a Webflow site. Let me just check Webflow really quickly. I want to check the pricing. Ligma settings, billing. Site plan. 2,000 CMS items. That's what we fucking want. $16 a month billed annually, but I would bill monthly. It's $20 per month. Okay. Fucking, that's way cheaper than I thought it was going to be. Fuck it, we're building this on Webflow. Like, absolutely fuck it, we're building this on Webflow. I'm going to rebuild this on Webflow, absolutely. All the images shouldn't have issues with customization. It's very easy for me to just port this into a CMS block. Yeah. It's cheaper for more items, and I have absolute perfect customization over everything. So, fuck it. Absolutely fuck it. Actually, you know what? I say we quickly go and build this on Webflow, because we're going to be so much happier with the actual product. Yeah, we're going to be so much happier with the actual product. You can only have 2 unhosted sites to upgrade your plan. Wow, motherfucker, they are really sucking this out of me. So if I go to dashboard, is there anything that I can delete? I can delete macaroni and cheese. I don't need this right now. Macaroniandcheese.org below. Delete forever. Come on. All right, cool. So I deleted new project. New project is going to be. Let's give it a template that we can work off of, because I don't feel like fucking doing this. Photography. Just watch out, because there's only one nested collection per page. What do you mean? Oh, actually, I know the reason. I know the reason that I initially didn't go with Webflow. The only reason I didn't go with Webflow is because I also have to install JetBoost. Because I need to real-time search, dynamic filtering, and more for Webflow without writing code. That's important, right? We need people to be able to dynamically search what's going on. Only one nested collection per page. And I could like roughly sort it by kind of cheating. But get started for free. So what's the pricing look like on JetBoost? Free unlimited trial. Free to set up until you use your site. Your site is live on a custom domain. All products included unlimited sites under a single Webflow account. Aha, here we go. Create discoverable Webflow CMS content with these core JetBoost products, advanced pagination, dynamic list filtering, real-time list search. That's things like multi-reference tags. Interesting. Okay, cool. So it is going to be a little bit more expensive. Very interesting to know. Or maybe individual no, wait, hold on. Advanced pagination, auto-archive CSS items, dynamic list filters, real-time list search, favorite CMS items, advanced pagination. I just want dynamic list filters. That's all I want. This is literally all I want. Okay. A huge delay. Oh, really? Like, for the stream? I'm sorry. That is weird. I don't know why. Maybe my internet is shit. Is my computer okay? I think I need to restart my computer. My computer's really, really hot lately. It overheats like a motherfucker. I don't know. That might be my issue. I don't know. I apologize, Emmett. But yeah, that's good to know. So we will be a little bit more expensive because we'll have to do that. And then let's go back to Webflow. What was the pricing again? The pricing. Scroll down. Product pricing. Site plans, account plans, site plans. So cool, site plans, beautiful. 200 gigabytes. API requests per minute. Content editors, site search. Oh, there is site search. Okay. Just use the best possible tool and get it up and function, not with sacrificing TTM and UX to save a few dollars, in a few months after a beta promotion, whether beta has legs or not. That's a really good point. That's a really, really good point. Yeah. In that case, I feel like we should go with Webflow. Like, I truly do feel like we should go with Webflow. It's only going to be, it's actually going to, with $9 per month, well, with $11.25 plus the $20 per month, it's actually going to be just as expensive. Like, it's going to be $1 per month more than software is, and we're going to have a lot more control over everything, and it's going to look a whole lot nicer. So I say we go with Webflow. So let's really quickly build this. It should not take me long to build a really rough version that we can really start fucking with. Free templates, great. We love free templates. It's probably going to be an e-commerce template, I would expect, except all those are paid. Let's view all of these. Free templates. This is another list of templates that I need to build on, right? That I need to pull from. So I need to go, and part of the reason is there's probably like, 500, 600 different Webflow templates. So that's part of the reason that we need a massive base of stuff. Okay. Chomp, restaurant, cute, love it. This is fun. The Lamar blog setup is like really, really nice. Evermore and Lamar are like beautiful little blog setups, and I really, really enjoy them. Denali, that's fun. I want more image-focused stuff. Versus. Ooh. Hello. This looks nice. CMS. Hey. Okay, use for free. Let's make it. This is Beyta. Great project. Let's make it happen. All right, cool. So first of all, we want this little hero section up here, powered by Webflow. That's fine. What other pages do we have? We have the About page, a little About Me. We can use that. The Contact page, we don't need, so I'm going to delete that. Delete. Yes. Back to home. Looks good. This is going to be my collection list item. So we have categories. Whole design, graphic design, web design. Cool. These are my latest works. And then I have the actual projects. And I'm assuming these are under. Yeah, look at this. You can just embed stuff. This is beautiful. Project thumbnail. Love it. So we already have an image there. That's great. Do we have a category? Yes. So we already have a category. That's great. Okay. So let's get freaking started. So this isn't going to be projects. This is going to be templates. Collection is going to be called templates. Templates. Great. And then we want the name. We want the slug. That's great. The main image. We're going to call. No, it'll be called project thumbnail or template thumbnail. Thumbnail/GIF. Hopefully, GIFs work in this setup. Interesting. Must be 800 by 600. Will show up on project grids. No. It should not be that. I don't give a heck. Field is required. Full project description. Yeah, let's say field. So we want an image. What else do we want? We want an image, a title, a price, a couple of different versions of a tag, which is great, and then a description. So let's go back. We want full project description. That's great. So we'll say, just call it the description. Field is required. Include What do we want to include? We want to say something like include a little about the tool it's built on, how scalable the tool is. Is that a word? Scalable. How scalable the tool is, how expensive the tool can be if you need to build with scale, and the general pricing / limitations on the template / tool. Cool. Yeah, that sounds great. Let's save the fields. Category. So perfect. We have category here. And then I want to add another field, and I want to make it another reference. Yeah. So let's make another. So actually, let's not do this. Category. This is going to be category 1, and category 1 is going to be template type, right? We have template type, and then we have tool it's built on. So I want this to be template type, save field, or this will be something like, coaching app, landing page, etc. Save field. And then we're going to go to categories, and we're going to, yes, save collection. So that's good. That's awesome. Now we have that set up, and I think that's all we need, right? We need to go to template categories here. We need to change this to settings. This isn't going to this. This is going to be templates type. Plural version already exists. Why? What? What do you mean? Types. We'll just call them types. What? Oh. Does it just want type? What? Okay, it's getting annoyed. Thanks without saving. Oh, I get it. Template types. Okay, cool. Now it's not pissed at me. Ooh, category color. I like that. I like that a lot. Save collection. So we have the template types there. That's great. And then we need another section that is called tool it's built on. Tool it's built on. We'll just call it tool. Name slug. Anything else we can customize by? No, I think that's fine. Create collection. Add 5 base items. Okay, cool. So now we have templates, template types, and tool they're built on. Tool it's built on. Or maybe just say, actually, let's just call it tool. Tool saves. Okay. And let's just actually call this types. Cool. Now we have tools, types, and templates. The 3 T's. Let's go back to here. Let's call this collection item. This looks good. This is fine. I want it to make it a responsive CMS grid, so I'm going to have to do a little bit of research into how that functions. Let me port in some of this. Let me port in some of the data. So let's go to our little CMS bit. Let's go to templates. Let's go to select. And we're going to select all these. We're going to delete all these. And we're going to add a few of our own, just so we can start fucking around. New template. It's going to be coaching app. Coaching app. The tool it's built on. Ooh, interesting. Oh, also. I need to go to templates, save as draft. I need to go to templates, and I need to add. This is going to be just type, save, and then I need to add another reference to the tools section. Tool. There we go. This field is also required. Beautiful. Awesome. Save collection. Let's go back to this. So the tool that it's built on is, let's go to the tools. Let's add a tool called Adalo. Create. Let's add another tool and make this spread simple. Spread simple. We'll also do the same thing for here. Save. Awesome. And then types. I want to add coaching and then maybe restaurants. So let's do coaching. Great. Create. Let's create another one. Restaurant. I think that's how you spell it. I'm always terrible at spelling restaurant. Okay, cool. So now we have everything we need. So let's go to templates, coaching app, pick a tool, Adalo, pick a type, app. No, not app design. It's coaching. Awesome. The description will be here. Adalo is a flexible tool, although in order to publish with any real use of sufficient amounts of data. So in order to use apps built on it with any real number of users, you'll need to pay $50 per month. Perfect, something like that. And I can also link to tutorials this way. I can link to other websites. I can link to articles that I've written. And I can affiliate link too, of course, right? Custom fields is going to be, let's go to Adalo. I'm going to download this GIF. And then I'm going to upload it. I go here, but I download the image here. I wonder if I can do it off of a link. That would be ideal. That would be ideal. Let's just try it with a GIF for now. We downloaded it. It's a GIF. Great. Awesome. It appears. It looks good. We're doing fine. Let's save the draft. Let's make another draft. Name. This one will be the first spread simple one. So we're going to go back to here. On spread simple, it's going to be called cafe site. Cafe site. Custom fields. I need to download it. So I need to go to here. Save image as cafe. Back to Webflow. This. Desktop this time because I'm a fuck. Description. Simple is a simple scalable tool in terms of data. The most expensive plan is $10 per month. And you can use as much per month per site. If you need something like, right, if you need something like higher control over UX, if you need high control over UX or added animations / functionality, Spread simple won't be able to keep up. Great. Awesome. And then type is going to be restaurant. Tool is going to be spread simple. Beautiful. Create. Now I'm going to publish the fuck out of this. This is a draft. I want to stop it. Stage for publish. Beautiful. Publish. Beta.webflow.io. Publish the selected domains. And I'm going to go check it out. Hey, look at this. It looks beautiful. It's highly functional. I really, really like it, actually. Yeah. And then when you click in, it should go to a page. Beautiful. It allows a flexible tool or all cool, awesome. All recent work. Yeah, this is great. This is super, super great. I like this a lot. And then we have full, absolute, complete control over everything here, which is what I really, really like, right? I can add everything. I can add the, backend functionality. I can just integrate this. I can just use this actual database, and I can just use a little Zapier flow to connect it to Webflow. We're not sacrificing anything in terms of functionality. Yes, I can populate from my spreadsheet full of scraped data. Yeah. So everything should be totally fine. Yeah, this looks nice. This is going to be better. This is going to be a lot better. I'm going to be a lot happier with this too. So, cool. Just as expensive, but we have more customization. But it's going to take us longer, right? It took us a very little time to build the first draft on software. Now it's going to take us a bit more. You've done 10 minutes. You're getting good at this no-code stuff. Well, it's not done yet. It looks kind of cute, but it's not done yet. But thank you. I'm doing my dang best. I appreciate it. So build a quote. This is great. I'm going to change the background image to something a little bit less, a little bit more techie. And it already has my signature dark background bullshit that I refuse to compromise on, which is great. And then all recent work, I don't think we need any of this. Or maybe we could do something like similar templates, right? Let's see if we can add a sort. Collection list, section title. So it doesn't have a sort in here automatically. But let's see. Pick and choose only the products you absolutely need for your site. Dynamic list filters. Let's start for free. Premium add-ons, no custom code required. Subscription start and add-ons sites hosted on custom domains. Yes. Mine will be hosted on a custom domain. Absolutely. Custom domain. Click here to add a custom domain. So I'll add that soon. It's going to be CMS. I want to build it monthly. Add CMS. Yes. I'm gonna add the CMS right now, just to give myself a swift kick in the pants. To go and build this. Yep. PMS process CMS for beta. Send your confirmation email. Great. Awesome. Now let's go to this. Let's make a little password. Generate secure password. Create for your account. Never used JetBoost. JetBoost is apparently really, really fun. Add. Sign into Webflow. I want it to be on beta. Authorize application. Success. Time to get boosted. I love that little GIF. Woohoo! Take me to my dashboard. All right. Add booster. I just want dynamic list filtering. Create. I want to, what collection on your site do you want to filter? I want it to be templates. Which field do you want to filter by? Okay, yes. Yes. Type. Allow multiple selections. Yes. Add selected filters to the URL. Yeah, I'd say so. Um, interesting. Can I add multiple filters? Is that possible? Continue. Woohoo! Okay. Add JetBoost script. So I copy and paste it into the head code. Let's go copy this. Let's paste it into the header code. Custom code. Head. Save changes. Publish. Awesome. So now, how do I implicate it? Test and continue. Great. We did it just fine. In the Webflow Designer, locate your templates collection list wrapper and add the class below it. Add an embed element inside of your collection item, then copy and paste below and add it and paste it to the embed code and click Save Changes. JetBoost is already added to the collection item by another booster. Use the URL for CMS template page. Use the URL for one of the items. Test URL. Publish your staging site and then click below to complete this step. Interesting. This gets a little complicated. And then filter. Then we get to the filter. Okay. In the Webflow Designer, locate your templates collection list wrapper element and add the class below it. Let's see if we can do that. This is so interesting. Collection list wrapper, great. Class, boom. Boom. I think that's it, right? That's what it said. Add the class below it. No, that's a selector. Oh, no, it is a class. Okay. So that sounds good. Maybe then they actually watch a video. Collection list wrapper. Your list of items. Cool. Oh, I love these little videos. This is the most beautiful thing ever. Actually, this is the kind of video stuff. Hey, Joe, how's it going? This is the kind of video stuff that I should have for my simulation. By the way, the simulation that we built, quick update for Toast, because Toast is super interested in this, I know. For the simulation, I got feedback back, right? I am rocking the EntrepreNerd double swag. I got some feedback back, and one of the biggest pieces of feedback was it needs more description, right? It needs more educational components of it, because a lot of the students were like, it makes sense, fine, but beyond the video, I didn't really know what was going on or how it works or why stuff is important, right? Which is beautiful feedback. So I want to add actually little videos just like this, right? You move your little thing over it, it pops up and says, hey, right? And it teaches you how it works. Yes, exactly. And it's what we hypothesized would be important. Yeah. An embed element inside of the collection item, then copy the code below and paste it into the embed. So let's see how this works. You did predict this. You were not wrong. You did predict this. Same list from previous step. Plus an embed. Into the collection item, just wherever. Must be directly inside collection item. Okay. Only have one JetBoost embed per collection item. Okay. So it drops it there, and then pastes that in. Save and close. Sounds simple enough. Let's go back to here. Let's go plus and embed. What the heck? What? Is it gonna get all shitty on me? What's the problem? I'm gonna refresh. I thought we'd be fine for embeds. We should be fine for embeds. There we go. Okay. Woo! Got me shitting my pants. No. No. Save and close. I want to delete you. HTML embed. How do I fucking... What the fuck? Oh my god. Kill me. Kill me. There we go. Alright. Collection item. Plus add an embed in the collection item. Yes. Boom. Beautiful. What's up, Witch? And then we're going to paste this shit into here. Save and close. Love it. And then I need to go and test. So what is one of the examples of my bullshit? One of the examples is this. /template /coaching app. And that's what it wanted, right? Template /coaching app. Test and continue. Oh wait, I need to publish it. I need to publish. Then I need to try it again. Templates coaching app. It should work fine. Maybe versus portfolio. Beta.webflow.io. Fine. If I click into this, it should give me the thing that I want, right? Yeah. It shows up. Test and continue. Oh, for the specific page you're adding this booster to. So that's not going to be it. It's just going to be this. Copy. Collection list. In this case, it's not going to be this. It's just going to be this. Beautiful. Cool. Okay. Awesome. Which element do you want to use for your filter? What? Button. Add a new collection list to your page and connect it to your types calendar. Types collection. This is so complex. I mean, not really. I like how they walk you through this, though. This is really, really nice UI. Like, I'm very happy with this. It's going to be tags, your reference collection. Beautiful. Collection item. Going to add a button. Just making a little thing. You're getting the URL. Get text from tags. It's going to be name. Yes, that makes sense. Love it. Makes sense. Cool. Render video is just styling. Oh, wait, hold on. Did they already add in? Can I get a brand new top trim level car for $5,700 right now if I trade in my 5-year-old Jeep? Is it worth it? I just don't know. I've been contemplating this for like 2 weeks. I have no idea. I'm like really, really terrible with car stuff. Like I'm absolute garbage with car stuff. But I support you. So I don't know if that's helpful. collection item, and then adds an embed. Got it. Okay, cool. Collection item embed, the list wrapper class, create your filter, create a filter button, embed collection, warning when using hover styles. If you had a hover style, it works fine on desktop browsers, may have issues on mobile browsers because there's no such thing as hover on a mobile device. Filter buttons appear that they get stuck on mobile. Watch the following video to see how to fix this in Webflow. Oh, cool. What a nice fucking, how wholesome. I love this. What a good time. Salary filter options should appear when active. Okay. Cool. Tough decisions, good price for a brand new car, but I'm also not sure if I should be spending that much money when I'm trying to move to Florida soon. Totally fair. Entirely fair. Can I wonder. Let's add a little bit of blocks and let's see if we can test something. This is going to be a CMS list. We're going to pop this right here and do exactly, boom. Okay, never mind. Okay, it's lagging. That's fine. Source is going to be types. And I want the types. Yes, types, great. Okay, let's add some buttons. Let's add get text from types. Let's make it name, like they were doing before. Yes, we have all these different types here. Collection list wrapper. I want the format to be kind of like this. More like that. Yeah. And then filters. Ooh. Okay, perfect. So I can filter. So I think what I might do, I might not even need Jet Boost. What's the benefit to Jet Boost? I guess you sort in different ways. I guess hold on. Why Jet Boost for Webflow? Why Jet Boost for Webflow? I'm curious because I think I could build this out. Dynamic filtering, Jet Boost integration, real-time search, dynamic filtering. Oh, I guess it would be multi-select. But also I have a ton of these. I'm probably still going to use Jet Boost. So let's go to each of these buttons. Actually, let's go back to the collection list wrapper. UI state empty. Yes, it's fine. Tag div. I don't want this. I do want this. I want each button, or actually no, I want each collection item to have a bit more space on the top and bottom. So we're going to give it a bit more space. And we're going to give it 0 padding on either side. Why is the collection item so big? It doesn't need to be. Tag div. Div these nuts in your. What? What? I love it, but I'm confused. I will admit. Button. Position. Static. Okay, fine. Yes. Why is it having so much issue? I'm very confused. Looks fine to me. How incredibly odd. I guess it's from just the general size. Width auto. Fit fill. None. Contain. I don't get it. I do not get it. Alright, cool. I'll fuck around with this. But now we have these. These are great. Awesome. Beautiful. Love it. Then I need to go and I need to add this. So I created a button, create your filter, and then I need to add the class below the collection list wrapper. How do I do that? Okay, collection list wrapper, same as we did before. Copy this. Wrapper, collection list wrapper. Boom. Great. Now I need to grab this. Inside collection item embed, same as before. Collection item plus we want an embed. And then this, save and close. Great. Style agent option should appear. Okay, yes. Beautiful. You can leave this class or remove it. Okay, fine, whatever. Interesting. Wait, but didn't we already... Didn't we already add this class to the list wrapper? Oh, wait, we're doing this for the items, right? For the button itself. Got it. Okay. So let's go to the individual button itself. Let's add these tags. Filter active. Boom. This is while it's active. I want the background to be a little bit darker. Awesome. I'll publish all of this information. Gonna go back here. And it should work beautifully. Yeah. Cool. Congrats. Love it. Go to my staging site. Should be ready to go and should be working on the staging sites. Okay, cool. So let's see what it looks like. So if I go and I click restaurant, aha! That's hot. That's super hot. Coaching only shows those. That's hot as fuck. I love that. And we probably shouldn't sort by tool, but I can just have the tool show up. And I might have to pay a little bit extra for an additional thing like, you know, search, like maybe an additional filter. Yeah, that's super nice. That's super, super nice. I like that a lot. Back to my dashboard. Unnamed booster. I'm going to edit it. This is types. Or we'll call this beta template types. Great. Save changes. Back to JetBoost dashboard. Okay, cool. Dynamic list filtering. Add booster. What else can I have? Auto archive, real-time search. That's great. Favorite CMS items. Dynamic list filters. Is there anything else that I need? Really? I would like sort. But I'm assuming I can automatically sort on the Webflow sites via my items. So let's go to the CMS list. No, I want this. And I want to sort order. Yes. Yes. So I can filter, but I can't actually filter unless I use this. And I can sort automatically via this. So cool. Basically, all we need is this. I think we're good. Thank you for hopping on, Toast. I'll see you later. Cool. We're in business. We're building a lot sexier of a tool. So I got to build this up more. I got to make this look snazzier, which is fine. So this is one website I need to build. The other thing I need to build up is the simulation. So I need to fix up the simulation a little bit, and that's fine. And then I also need to start scraping individually all of the domains that we want to keep track of into one big compiled sheet, which is great. Cool. Yes. Lit. Dope. Love it. Very cool. So yeah, we have this kind of underway, and the rest of this is just going to be me kind of like futzing and building stuff. But we have the basics here. I'm excited. That's hot. I like how hot that is. It's really smooth. And I can do multiple. Nice. Awesome. And so that's going to be $11 per month, plus the $20 on the website. I dig it. I super dig it. Yeah, I don't think any of the other boosters are going to be valuable. I guess I could do real-time list search. I guess. Sort of. In real time as you type. That is hot. I don't think I need it. What is this? Oh, hey, this is really cool. Archive items immediately after their expiration date. That's really cool. That's fun. And then advanced pagination. Yeah, I don't think I need something like that. All right, cool. So this is all I really need. JetBoost. Awesome. Now I've used JetBoost. Fabulous. Let's do nice and central. Little design. That's why it was so big. Okay. Vertical. It does look nice. Well, that does look nice. There we go. Maybe that. No, I just want it to be a nice little cute list. But for each individual one, I know what I need to do. I need to give it a little bit of that, give it a little bit of padding. Looks nice. Actually, I'm going to do 10 on this side and 10 on this side. That looks cute. That looks heckin' cute. And then the collection item needs a bit more oomph to it. It's not giving it enough room. Yeah. Width minimum would be 100. Maybe 150. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. I wonder if I can sort it a little bit nicer together. There's got to be a way to do that. I'll fuck around. The solution is probably just like there's some automatic alignment that it works with. Flex child, collection list, vertical, horizontal, center. Do wrap, yes, I do want it to wrap. I'll have to fuck around. Ooh. Okay, cool. Awesome, beautiful. This is fun. I really love Webflow. I adore this tool. I'm gonna try to get Webflow to sponsor me sooner or later. Because goddamn. Cool. Sick fucking nasty. And then I'll add the domain name. Everything's good here. This will be good. Already did that. We're not going to use spread simple. We're using JetBoost. We don't need this. I'm going to port this over using Zapier. It's going to look a lot smoother than this. Hell yeah. Hell to the hell to hell to hell to the hell yeah. Cool. I got nothing else to talk about. I think there's only one other person hanging out. This is great. Thank you for joining me. Ooh. And vibing with me. I'm going to go make myself some food and chill the fuck out. That's my plan for the night. Cool. On Saturday, no stream, I don't think. Maybe a stream. Probably not. I'm going to a wedding, which is quite fun. I'm going to have to dress up in a tuxedo, which is disgusting. But I'm going to do it regardless because fuck it. Looks free for like 30 minutes making the site. Yeah, hey, fuck it. I think it's smooth. I love it. I'm going to make it a lot sexier. So I'm going to, grab this little button. I'm going to, add a little bit of rounding, make it a little bit sexier there. Let me publish this. See what it looks like on the actual site. Publish. Looks a little nice. Okay, yes. Interesting. Interesting. Sweet. Interesting. One issues to improve on this page. Missing alt text. So I'll add some alt text there. And actually, this will make this, if I add a decent amount of text to like some of these items, it'll make it searchable via search engines pretty solidly. Like SEO is really, really solid with, SEO is really solid just generally. I do wonder. Oh, I get it. It's a little bit glitchy, but I get that. That makes sense. Cool. Yeah, we're good to go. We're ready and good to go. I know exactly what I need to do. This is fun. I don't need this button here, but I can add whatever I need here. So I'm probably going to add something like this. I can add to the icon to it and make that all schmoozy. Cute and schmoozy. It's going to be nice. I'm excited. I'm going to build this into something like really sexy. This is going to be great. So this is on my list. Fucking, this is not beta. This is something else where I was trying to grab stuff. What else was there? There's this. There's the simulation. And then there's the fucking... So we have beta, simulation, and what is the other thing? What am I missing? What am I even talking about? My God. Jesus Christ. I have to go check my list. My brain is not working today. Whatsoever at all. Domain experiment and the domain experiment. Yes, I need to script the domains. I need to do that once per day. That really shouldn't take any time at all. And once I have a giant list, I can start fucking with it. Yeah. Yee. Yeah, I gotta fuck around with the domain list. Should be fun though. Should be lit. I'm excited. Yeehaw. Thank you for joining. Thank you for sticking on, John Paul. I appreciate it. Alright, cool. Fuck it. We out. We're bailing. Also, actually, let me... burner.page. Cool. Ready to skedoodle. I'll see you later. thanks for joining. I appreciate it. Probably no stream on Saturday, but I'll see you soon. We'll play some games. It'll be a good time. I'm probably going to be playing Subnautica by the time we hop on the stream next, so fuck it. We'll play some Subnautica. Well, I might be done with the game. We'll see. I'm binging that game. Very cool. Peace out. Cub Scout.